Hello and welcome to my channel. If today it's your first time watching this video, kindly subscribe and share my videos with friends and family. I think someone will also learn one or two stuffs from my videos. 2 years ago, I decided to start a photo studio, but then I didn't have a place. I didn't have the money also to rent the place, so I decided to use an old bookshop as the photo studio. I decided to clean the place up, and so this is how the place looks like before and after I finished. So after shooting a while for 2 years, I had complaints from clients and staffs, so I decided to renovate the place again. And so the current view of my photo studio, and I hope to improve on the place as times goes on. But then I just wanted to show you how the place looks like before and after. Hopefully someone will also come across my video and learn one or two from, or just get some inspiration to start his or her own photo studio. So just feel free to watch. Give me comments on how give me comments on what to add to spice up the place, and then we are all learning. So thank you, and keep subscribing and following my page. Thank you.